第7课，今天几号
Lesson 7. What's the date today?
你好 Welcome to HSK Standard Course Level 1. I'm Gao He. Today we're going to learn Lesson 7, Pronunciation and Characters. In Lesson 6, we have already practiced the first tone with other tones. Now let's do some very challenging tongue twisters with me. 跟我读京剧叫京剧金桔叫金桔 Well done! Can you read it even faster? You have 4 seconds. Very good! How many times can you read it without any mistakes? Now you're very accomplished with the first tone. Today we're going to focus on the second tone. 跟我读 You can use gestures to help you recognizing the tones. 时间时间银行银行词典词典蓝色蓝色 Well done! Now let's do some practice. Listen and read after me, and please pay attention to the collocation of the tones. 国家楼房苹果环境昨天篮球啤酒寒假明天明年牛奶牛肉 Excellent! Listen to the audio and mark the words you hear. 十分十分长城长城合适合适而且而且 Well done! Now challenge time. Please listen to the audio and put the tone marks on the word you hear. 房间房间啤酒啤酒回国回国结束结束成功成功 Good job! So that's all for today's pronunciation part. Now let's move to the Chinese character part. 四 means 4. You can see the original form of 四 is basically 4 lines. 五 means 5. You can see that the original form of 五 looks very different from the modern style. It took thousands of years to be reshaped to the modern form. 书 books. You might feel very confused because that this character doesn't look like a book at all. Yes, the original meaning of 书 was to write. you can see a hand holding a writing brush and dipping it into the ink. Now, in the modern style, you can take the dot on the right top as an ink mark in the book. Now let's try to write these characters and pay attention to the stroke order. Now we have learned all the Chinese numbers from 1 to 10. I believe that you have mastered the single component structure characters. Now please look at the two groups of characters. Can you tell me the difference in character structures of these two groups? That's right. In the first group, both 你 and 好 are formed by two parts, left and right. In the second group, both 树 and 谢 are formed by three parts, left, middle, and right. These two different structures are commonly applied in Chinese characters. Now let's do some practice. Look at the characters and group them with left-right structure, left-middle-right structure, and single component structure. Let's check out the answers together. Left-right structure. A. 说 C. 汉 F. 左 Left-middle-right structure. D. 坐 G. 哪 Single component structure. B. 几 E. 斤 Did you get it? Well done. Single component structure characters are usually phrasal. For example, 水, 火, and 月. You can guess their meaning by their shapes. For compound structure characters, they look more complicated because they're formed by Chinese radicals and bodies. But you can still guess their meanings by different parts. For example, 谢谢. The left part of 谢 is called 言字旁, which is usually related to language and speech. 谢 means to thank. You will have to say it out, isn't it? 河 river. 河 is formed by 三点水 and 可. The left part of 河 is usually related to water. It is reshaped from the character 水. For example, 海 ocean, sea is also formed by 三点水. Let's do some practice. Look at the characters and group them with the same Chinese radicals. Let's check out the answers together. 三点水 A. 酒 E. 海 G. 墨 H. 河 言字旁 B. 说 C. 谁 D 读 F 认 Did you get it? Excellent! Okay, today we have learned 3 new characters, 4, 5, and 书. We have also learned the 2 structures, left-right and left-middle-right structures. Last but not the least, we have learned 2 radicals, 三点水 and 言字旁. Okay, please pick the characters with left-right structures that we have just learned in Lesson 7 and try to write them down after class. Okay, see you next time. 再见。